Welcome back, hustlers! Today we're going to delve into the world of side hustles, and let me tell you, it's a vast, diverse, and exciting sphere filled with ample opportunities for those willing to step out of their comfort zones and venture into the uncharted territories of the gig economy. In this informative session, we are going to explore 7 uniquely potent side hustles that are perfectly designed to significantly boost your income in 2024. The changing economic landscape has given birth to countless opportunities for industrious individuals like yourself to earn some extra income. Whether you're meticulously saving for an upcoming dream vacation, diligently working towards paying off a lingering debt, or simply aspiring to increase your disposable income, these hustles are tailored to fit your financial needs like a glove. Our journey begins with number 1, freelancing. This is a versatile arena with an ever-expanding scope. As remote work continues its steady rise, the opportunities within the freelance marketplace are multiplying. Platforms like Upwork offer a plethora of opportunities in diverse fields like writing, graphic design, programming, and much more. Secondly, we have dropshipping. This innovative supply chain management method allows you to start and manage an online store without the hassle of keeping an inventory. Your role? Simply identify potential winning products, market them effectively, and let the supplier handle the rest. Moving on, we have online tutoring. With the advent of digital classrooms and virtual education, online tutoring platforms like VIPKid have provided a platform for educators and tutors alike to connect with students globally. This not only offers a flexible income, but also a rewarding experience. Our 4th potential income stream is virtual assistants. In a world where people juggle multiple roles and responsibilities, virtual assistants are in high demand. By offering services such as managing emails, handling schedules, and providing administrative support, you can help busy professionals to stay organized while earning a steady income. Next up, we have content creation. This is an arena where your creativity can truly shine and be monetized. Photography, videography, blogging, social media management, the possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. Our 6th choice for a side hustle is dog walking. Combine your love for animals with the need for a regular exercise routine. By offering dog walking services, you not only get to spend quality time with pups, but also get paid while keeping fit. Finally, we wrap up our list with Airbnb hosting. With the resurgence of tourism and the popularity of homestays, renting out your spare room or an entire property to travelers can provide an impressive additional income. And there you have it. 7 side hustles for 2024 that are not only diverse and promising, but also tailored to fit diverse skill sets and preferences. As you embark on your hustle journey, always remember that persistence is key. Start hustling, stay consistent, and watch your income grow exponentially. Thanks for watching.